Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today I'm finally releasing my course that I wanted to create for almost 2 years. This course is about project management. So maybe you find it odd coming from me as an instructor and YouTube content creator that's main focus is actually on web development, creating web application and tutorials for web development. To create such a course about project management, but actually project management is a key feature of any successful project. Actually, any project needs a good manager that has the skills and also the vision to push through till the end to a successful project. And he is able to lead the team to difficult times by communicating impeccably, solving any problems that come along, as you know, in each and every project, delegating efficiently, and also assuming responsibilities. Now I know these things because I have been there and done that for over 10 years now. So this is why I created this short yet consistent course for all you young managers out there, or for those of you who are in the business but still struggling with project management. So please find down in the description below, as always, a couple of coupon codes each time I release a course like this. And with this being said, I'm going to leave you now with the introduction to the course, and if you like it, then please check it out. Oh, and by the way, I also left a couple of coupon codes for all of my courses, so with lowest price possible. Okay, so with this being said, see you in the course. Bye-bye. Hey, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the course. My name is Norbert BM, and I'm a construction manager and a self-taught web developer. And together we're going to go through the main skills of a manager. Now, a very short introduction. I'm a husband, father of one, and a second one in the oven. I have a bachelor's degree in construction engineering and a master's degree in structural engineering. I have taught myself web development, and I'm also a passionate martial artist. I love kicking the bag and hitting the pads. Oh, and by the way, one of my biggest loves is pizza. But nothing could have prepared me for the long and hard path of a manager. So I thought to myself that a short summary of my 10 years of experience could be helpful for most of you. Now, in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to take you through my personal guide for what I think is essential for a young manager. And I know that my experience as a manager will be helpful for you on your career and also keep you on the right path. So the purpose of this course is to make you feel comfortable in this position and also tackle anything just fearless. And together, we'll cover what I consider to be the core skills of a manager. So I hope you're excited, and if you are, then please come along with me.